If your target device is a Janus processor, there are two methods to set the IP address. Method 1 uses the web server, built into the Janus processor, and can be used if the module already has an IP address. Method 2 places a file on the front panel SD card, which is read in, on power-up, to set the IP address. This method can be used if the module has never been in service. To use Method 1, simply open a web browser. Then type in the IP address of the Janus processor. Once the module web page comes up, click Configuration, and then Network Settings. The Network Settings page allows you to configure the primary address, and up to 3 alternate addresses. Alternate addresses allow you to communicate on additional IP networks. It is not permitted to configure overlapping address subnets, or assign more than one IP address from the same subnet. The primary subnet IP parameters can be automatically obtained by DHCP, or statically configured by entering the IP parameters. DHCP is not recommended for operational use, since it is possible to receive different IP addresses from DHCP over time. When complete, click Apply, and the changes will take effect immediately. To use Method 2 to set the Janus IP address, first remove the processor from the base. Make sure module switch number 2 is set to the open position, and set module switch number 4 to the closed position. Obtain a blank SD card. Open the new file with Windows Notepad, and insert these lines, substituting your desired addresses. Save the file using the name cti.ini in the root directory on the SD card. Install the SD card in the processor, and install the processor into the base. Apply power. The processor will display the code PPST on the front panel. If there are errors in the cti.ini file, the code PPER is displayed on the front panel. If there are no errors, the address is accepted, and the code PPDN is displayed. Now, power down and return switch 4 to the open position. Remove the SD card from the front panel, and reinstall the processor into the base.